Yes, so I'm going to be trying to fix a leak that I found in my fit. Um, it's not as nice looking
Storybox
as I
Audio.
thought. It's a mess. I'm going to be cleaning this up, possibly doing some kind of repair to these rusts, probably priming and just cleaning it up. So we can see that water that
Storybox
caused
Audio.
this rust came down from right here, right? Water would come down there, and over time. You can see a wet spot right here, showing that water is coming here. And look at the channel. It goes there, it goes down. Um, Notice that part is wet. So it look like some water is coming down. Look like it comes down this path, down there, and go like this, and then seep down to the front right there. So it look like that's what's happening. So I think I found my problem. I'm gonna fix it. I'm not gonna be paying Raycon to do this because this is a fun job. I can't allow them to have all the fun. And look, I get paid. I see a coin there. It's not gold or silver, but um, it's useful. Here we have another rust spot due to waters coming down, and you know rust is right there. I'm gonna be cleaning this up, really nice. All right. Um, Look like somebody put some kind of filler right here before, but it's all worn out, so I'm gonna be fixing that. So I've done some amount of repair. I've fixed that little hole right there partially. It's not finished. This is in the process. um, Repair the hole that was right there. um, these are holes that are right here. Repair those as well. Like I say, I just put this down, and I'm going to be cutting out this part right here, and probably sort that part out. I need to sort out this as well. I'm going to let this dry and then go from the bottom and fill that in. Same thing over there as well. Alright, so this I perceive will take me about, I'll stretch it out over 2 days. So tomorrow this should be cured. I can possibly sand it or something like that, and then do the underside of this so I can have a stronger um, finish right there, and then clean up this a little bit more. Then I will be priming and painting this area right here. This area right here will be primed and painted, as well as right there and right there. Alright, so these are the moldings that came out. So we'll continue this tomorrow. So continuing the repair, this is the next day. This is the 16th of July, and you can see I've kind of I need to sort out that little part right there, but I'm just making a protective place so that the paint don't mess up every single wear. This side is ready. I'm gonna be painting there. So this is what I have here. This is some of the repair. I really should have grind this down before painting, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna paint it. Yeah, this is what you're looking at. So what I've done so far, I've actually vacuumed and wiped with soap water, and you can see it's really bad now. I've also cut away some of the ugly looking rusted metal, and so what I'll be doing now, I'll be priming the key parts, and then I'll be painting it later. All right. Yeah, this is my handiwork. all messed up patching. Well, the key here is not aesthetics. The aesthetics will come after. Right now, I just want to cover all surfaces that I do not want to get painted. That will be exactly in the line of fire. I guess I'll do that probably next summer or something. Um, I'll sand this area later. Yeah, but let's give it a go. I don't want any more rust. I don't want any more um, funky smell. Yeah, here's the view from another angle. Alright, remember those are really rusty. It's my handiwork. Alright, that's my handiwork. Alright, almost fully put back together. Trims are in. So fully assembled. Everything is okay. It's now the 17th. And this is it. This is it. Fully assembled. Yes. Alright. Yeah, so didn't do any work here, but you can see that things are well.
Storybox Audio.
Things are well, right? So very nice.